I'm definitely going to be grateful for cooler weather. This is bad. Welcome back to Taja's Garden. I'm the gardening realtor. If you're new here, I'm glad you're here, and if you're returning, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a large harvest from my garden. This is going to be a late summer garden harvest. So let's do it. So these are my potatoes and they finally died off. For those of you who don't know, whenever the potatoes are ready to be harvested, the foliage dies back, and that is your sign that it's time to go ahead and harvest them. If you forget them and just leave them there, then they will just start to sprout and regrow, and then the rest will just rot in the ground. So you definitely want to act fast when you see that the foliage has died off. These are store-bought Idaho russet potatoes, and these took longer than I expected them to take. This potato, along with a couple of other potatoes, I noticed have a lot of holes in it. I'm not quite sure what pest that is. Oh, there's some coming out of it. Oh,
is it that same worm?
that looks like an ant. And this is all we've got out of 6 months. These two have holes in them. So really all of these have holes in them. So that's frustrating.
Just busted. Got a hole in it. Kinda. Oh, look at that.
Wow, and it's blending in. You see that? It got like a red tint to it. Look at this, y'all. You see how what it eats is literally turning the color of it? It has a red tint to it.
Yeah, that's a red tint right there in the line. Almost like you can see through it.
I know, right? This is what we've got. Back again. I thought that I was going to do a video just solely on harvesting, but the garden looks terrible, and truthfully this is just going to be a transparent video. I wasn't really consistent this summer because it's just been really hot. It's been over 100 degrees almost every single day. We haven't got good rain in months. It's been a very difficult summer, so I kind of let my garden go. I was coming out here checking on things, making sure everything was watered, but I was not pulling weeds. So as a result of that, the grass kind of took over, and I'm gonna focus on getting it back to how I would like it to be. It's terrible. So today we're going to make sure that we transform the garden, make it at least where I can comfortably walk through these paths, because this is terrible. Let's do this. Safety first. Currently it is 98 degrees with a high of 101 today. It is dangerously hot out here, so we are trying to take a couple of breaks as we can. I mean, I guess we can name this video Getting Our Ish Together, because I have let the garden go and now I'm trying to get back on track. So we've gotten a big part of this pulled up. I would say a big part of it. There's still a lot to go, but I used to not be able to walk through here, but now I can stand here without being terrified. So that's good progress. It's really, really hot outside, but we're trying our best. So I started getting lightheaded, and I'm allergic to grass, and that grass is making me itch and swell up. So, but I'm still gonna go out there and pull it. It's not this hot last summer. It has been so hot. Like, I feel like I was taking advantage of last summer. Like, I should have been more grateful because this is just too hot. It's dangerous, very dangerous. But I know that cooler weather is right around the corner. Fall will be here before you know it. I'm gonna just keep that in mind. And my arms are all itchy because that's where the grass was touching me. I've spoken with a lot of gardeners lately, and they have given up on their garden too. Once wintertime comes, I'm gonna miss gardening. But I am definitely thinking about indoor gardening right now. I'm gonna start a series called Getting Our Ish Together, Getting My Ish Together. I'm starting by pulling all of the weeds and grass in the garden. I'm going to be starting on my lettuce. It has been really, really hot, so I'm actually gonna start my leafy green vegetables indoors. If your phone does this from being in the shade, it's probably too dangerous for you to be outside. I can walk through the owls without being afraid or terrified. Everything looks way better than it did before. And it took maybe an hour. Alright, so this concludes the video. We got a lot done today. We pulled out all of the grass, the weeds. We trimmed a lot of things, trellised up a lot of plants. Next, I'm going to start focusing on starting some more seeds for the fall. It's a bit too hot for me to start my leafy greens outdoors, but we will definitely be starting some seeds indoors. If you have not already subscribed, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if you want to be part of an amazing gardening community, head on over to Facebook, type in Prosper and Plant, and let me know down in the comments what you guys are doing in your garden. Are you over it? How is the weather where you are? Have you gotten rain? Are you going through a drought? Is it too hot like it is here? Let me know down in the comments, because all of us are having different struggles, but all of our feelings are valid, of course. Until next time, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you next week.